Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Twitter X display name. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that you want to do is to open the Twitter application on your device. You want to make sure that you are logged into your Twitter account. After that, click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. It will open the side menu, and we want to go to our Twitter profile by tapping on this button. Once you get to your Twitter profile, you'll see our display name at the top. As you can see, mine is Anonymous, and right below that we have our username in order to change our display name. We'll simply tap on this Edit Profile button, and that's going to open this page, where we can change a bunch of things. I can tap on my name here and simply change it to whatever I want. You can delete it and add a brand new. When you change your display name, that will not affect your Twitter username, so don't worry about that. When you're finished, just tap on the Save button, and then they'll need to verify that it's you. Go through this verification process. Once you complete the simple verification, your display name on Twitter will be changed. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.